It's actually fine when she's pedaling,
Of course.
but
Yeah,
you
well,
might want to start. Is this a new bike for her?
she's been riding it before, but not with the seat that high.
I guess she will be fine.
She'll be okay.
Yeah. Okay, sweetie. Hop off. You know, if necessary, just pull the seat post out, slide that off, and then come back and put it on later.
Yeah.
But you can see, you know, I've got it pretty darn
Yeah.
close.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
So
And
the brake, yeah, new.
his grips look good, the wheels, tires look good, cleaned everything up. Let me grab your other one.
Mm-hmm.
Did you want to hang on to that old seat?
I do, yes.
Okay. So this one got a lot of new stuff.
Yep.
Looks new,
The
Daddy.
kickstand, we've done this on a lot of them, just to give the cable clearance. I mean, it's good and sturdy.
Yeah.
But we just tipped it a little angled there, and
Well, as long as it's tension, it'll be
yeah,
fine.
no, it works fine.
Yeah.
And you've got all new brakes, new tires.
Yeah, the rack.
Yep,
the-
new rack, moves your
seat.
reflector. This was really bad down here. This bottom bracket was loose, in which this was attached to it. So the crankset and the front derailleur were flopping around. So to take the crank apart and retighten the bottom bracket, which secured that, then put the crank arm back on and go from there.
Excellent.
But that was a kind of a no-brainer, easy fix, and didn't need a part. Just needed me to take the crankset off.
New brakes with the, yeah, just new brakes in general.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, like I was telling you, these are like $20 for all new calipers, and a set of brake pads are $8 or $9. It's like kind of a no-brainer.
Exactly.
Get rid of those plastic ones that were broken. Yeah, that looks like it had some kind of a light or something on it.
A reflector of some
Well,
sort.
that would have been a light.
Oh, light. Oh.
A light that snapped in of some sort.
Oh.
Okay, so anyway, this is with the kickstand, which was the last thing we added, is $572.82.
So you can ride
And this has got a
home.
real good description of everything that was done on it.
Nice. Do you like it? Is it much better now?
This was before, yeah, this is the complete one.
Ano, pinapalitan,
This was
pinaayos
after
lang
we were done
namin.
with Rose, I think.
Old bike na yan.
Yeah, that's
Pinaayos
the
lang.
next
Tapos,
Yeah.
wait, what is bike?
Good 2 hours on it. Yeah, yours was 2 hours and hers was an hour.
Yeah.
How old is your bike, Daddy? 24?
23, 24 years old. I bought it in like 96.
So yeah, 23 or 24 years old na to.
Yeah, I have to look at it. It sounds like more like a direct-to-consumer
Pinaanuhan
type
nila.
brand. Like I haven't
Pinalit ko ng ibang mga ano.
Well, I'm sorry, I've seen one come through the shop. Okay.
Just waiting on him to.
You don't have to sign it. I'll give you your copy. It's gonna have a finish on all lines right here.
We all have a mountain bike now. Look at those tires.
Watch out. Lagay natin dyan. Ayan na. Ready to travel. Ready to go home. Ayan. Let's go.